In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Jasper AI account swiftly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Jasper AI or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the login process smoothly. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up your preferred web browser. Now head over to the Jasper AI website. You can do this by typing in the URL, which is https app jasper.ai, or simply by searching for jasper.ai in your search bar. Once the page is loaded, locate the Login option on the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you can begin the login process. Now that you're on the login page, the next step is to enter your account email. This should be the email address you used when you initially signed up for Jasper AI. Go ahead and type in your email address and then click on the Continue button. This is the first step in verifying your identity and ensures that you proceed with the appropriate login method. Once you've entered your email, you'll have the option to choose your preferred method of logging in. Jasper supports several convenient options, so you can select whichever suits you best. If you initially signed up with an email and password, then simply go ahead and enter your password when prompted. For those who opted for Google Sign-In during registration, click on the Google option and follow the prompts to log in using your Google account credentials. Similarly, if you use Microsoft Sign-In, select the relevant option and log in with your Microsoft account details. If you're part of a business plan or your company uses single sign-on, commonly known as SSO, that's another option you can choose. This method is especially useful for larger organizations that have their own internal authorization processes. Simply click on the SSO option and follow your company's login procedure to access your Jasper AI account. And that's it! Now you've successfully logged into your Jasper AI account. Once you're in, you can start using all the powerful features Jasper AI has to offer. Whether you're there to create content, explore AI capabilities, or manage your current projects, you're ready to get started. If you ever encounter any issues during your login process, remember to double check your email and password for any typos, ensure that your internet connection is stable, and of course, make sure your account credentials are updated. Don't forget, if you have any further questions or need additional assistance, your company's IT department or Jasper AI's support team are there to help. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now feeling confident about accessing your Jasper AI account with ease. Enjoy exploring and happy creating!